Dear students, let us discuss this question which has been asked by one of the child. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 7.6 centimeter and without constructing parallel lines at A and B, find 3 points P, Q and R on AB such that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. Okay. So you have learned how to divide a line segment into n number of given equal parts. So here you don't have to construct the parallel lines on A and B for doing so. So here how we are going to do is, let us take first AB equal to 7.6 centimeters. So this is, I have drawn AB equals 7.6 centimeters. Now you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB? Yes, good. So when we draw perpendicular bisector of AB, so let us open the radius of the compass more than half of AB and draw two arcs, one on the above side of AB and one on the lower side of AB. Now put the compass at A and cut the previous drawn arcs. So this is how we get the perpendicular bisector of and the line segment AB, and this perpendicular bisector meets at some point. Now you see that if you again get the perpendicular bisector of the two parts which have obtained, what will happen? Just observe carefully what I am doing. So the two parts of AB which were obtained, I am getting the perpendicular bisectors of those two parts. So again, one part is divided into two equal parts. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of the other equal part of AB. So this way you see what is happening. Okay, now observe carefully on AB how many points we have. Yes, we have 3 points. Let us name them as P, Q and R. And what relationship do you see between these distances? Basically the line segments AP, PQ, QR and RB. Yes, they will be equal. So this is equal to this is equal to this, and you see that all the four parts are equal. Now you see AQ is equal to QB. AQ is equal to QB. So half of AQ is equal to half of QB. Fine. So what is half of AQ? Half of AQ is AP and half of AQ is PQ. So can I say AP is equal to PQ is equal to Q, R is equal to RB. So this is how we get all the four equal parts of AB. I hope it is clear to you.